Okay, now we are going to see exercise 4.4. Question number 1. Construct the following quadrilateral deer. DE 4 cm, EA 5 cm, AR 4.5 cm, angle E equal to 60 degree and angle A equal to 90 degree. So here first a rough sketch we have to draw for a quadrilateral deer DEAR. So DE 4 cm that is given and angle E is 60 degree that is also given, and EA is 5 cm, then angle A is 90 degree, then AR is 4.5 cm. All these things are given, so we have to draw accordingly. Now first draw a line segment DE 4 cm. So first of all we have to draw a line segment DE is equal to 4 cm. Then and an angle of 60 degree at a point E. So with this vertex, now how will you draw 60 degree with any radius? You with keeping this as center. Let me take some color with this ES center with any radius. You have to cut an arc, then with this as center, which as center, let me show, with this intersecting point with the same radius with this intersecting point. Let me give some other color. So see that green color, with this intersecting point with the same radius you have to cut an arc. That intersecting point you have to join, that will give you an angle of 60 degree. Then after that as vertex A is 5 cm away from the vertex E. So with E as center, measure 5 cm in your compass with ES center. See that pink color, with ES center measure 5 cm and cut an arc like this. Then that you will be marking it as E. See here they have marked here it as E. Now again draw an angle of 90 degree at a point E. So now just turn your note. Then what you should do here, with this pink color intersecting point with any radius you should cut an arc like this. Then with this intersecting point, so let me take some color, with this intersecting point you should draw two arcs with the same radius which you have taken. Then again with those two intersecting point here as well as here with the same radius you will be cutting an arc. Okay, then you will be joining this, you will be getting an arc like this. Or else you know how to draw 90 degree, which you have learnt in 6th standard. So using that procedure you should draw 90 degree. After drawing 90 degree, measure 4.5 cm in your compass with A as center. With A as center, 4.5 centimeters radius, cut an arc. So now you should join this intersecting point. This intersecting point you should join D to R. So now DR is the required quadrilateral. So let me say the procedure once again. So first of all, you should draw a line segment DE of length 4 cm. Then with E as center you should draw 60 degree. You should draw 60 degree. Then with the ES center measure 5 cm. With ES center measure 5 cm and cut an arc, name it as A. Now with the AS center, with any radius you just draw a semicircle. Then with this intersecting point with the same radius cut two arcs. That is the procedure of 90 degree. Then with this intersecting point with the same radius here, keep it here as center, cut an arc. Then here with this point as a center, cut another arc. Then join this, then measure 4.5 cm in your compass with A as center, 4.5 cm in your compass, cut an arc with A as center. Then name that as R and join DR. You will be getting a quadrilateral DR, DEAR. Okay, now coming to second sum. What is the second question? Quadrilateral true. TR, RU, UE, angle R and angle U was given. Okay, first let us draw a rough sketch for true. Here TR, UE they have drawn like this. Now draw a line segment RU of length 3 cm. So here first of all they have drawn a line segment RU. So RU of length 3 centimeter, and angle U is given as 120 degree. So here 120 degree is an obtuse angle, so you should draw, keeping here center, draw 120 degree. Okay, or you can draw by using the compass also. If you are joining here, that will be 60 degree. So here they have joined like this, that means this will be 120 degree. Or with any radius you cut an arc, then with this intersecting point, with the same radius you just draw two arcs. When you join this will be 120 degree. When you join this will be 60 degree. That is not necessary. Okay, so okay, now we have drawn 120 degree. After 120 degree, what they have given, 4 centimeter, which is 4 centimeter away from the vertex U. So with U as center, 4 centimeters radius, cut an arc, name that as E. Then next draw an angle of 75 degree at a point R. 75 degree, how will you draw? 75 degree lies between 60 and 90. So first of all, you should draw a 90 degree with R as center, with any radius. First let me erase this. Okay, with R as center and with any radius, draw a semicircle. Now with this intersecting point, cut two arcs. Then with those two intersecting point, join this. Now this is 60 degree and this is 90 degree. So in between these two you should draw. How will you draw? So this intersecting point and this intersecting point, you measure it, and with this intersecting point and this intersecting point, you just cut two arcs by measuring it and join this. This will give you 90 degree. Actually this will give you 75 degree. So first you can take any ray, draw a semicircle, here on arc and here on arc. Then you will be drawing here two arcs. This will be 90 degree, and with these two intersecting point, this and this intersecting point, measure that radius. With that as center, with these two intersecting point as the center, you just draw two arcs. This will give you 75 degree. Okay, so we have drawn 75 degree. After drawing 75 degree, here what they have given, cut the line segment RT of 3.5 centimeter from this arc. So here with RS center, 3.5 centimeter, cut an arc, then join these two, you will be getting the quadrilateral true. So using this procedure, you just solve question number 1 and 2 of exercise 4.4. Thank you.